Yeah. Yeah, I did want to turn pretty easily.
What's with the suit?
I'm gonna go to space.
Well, how are you going to get the film to keep your rocket from burning up?
Delaware makes film that protects rockets and satellites from burning up.
Anytime you see a satellite or a spacecraft, it's like it might have gold foil wrapped around it, chances are it came out of this facility.
I'm gonna go to Delaware manufacturing facility.
Welcome to Delaware.
Here's how Delaware makes film to protect spacecraft. They take wire, vaporize it with heat, and vacuum deposit it onto material to make film to cover and protect satellites and rockets.
Film goes through a series of rollers, goes over boats that are around 3,000 degrees, and there's a wire that gets fed on there.
Just aluminum wire, and we'll melt them so much they become a vapor, a gas, and that gas basically gets coated onto the rolls as they're running, which gives you the metallic look.
Well, this is a really great career in manufacturing, to be a part of something special like space. It's awesome when the launch goes and you know your product's on it. It's very exciting.
It could definitely go up. It wouldn't last in space without us.
You can just press one button and a whole process happens.
It's never the same. It's always something new.
It's very exciting for me because it's a constantly changing field. There's always something new to learn, something to do.
We are going to help communications be better. We are going to be able to make your phones work better through satellite communication. We are going to be on the Hubble telescope. We are going to be on the James Webb.
We did it! Your rocket ship is safe and ready for liftoff.
Thank you, Delaware. This is so cool.